If the radius of two circles is 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively, find the whose Okay, let's read this question first. If the radius of two circles is 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively, so you have two circles out here. Radius of one is 7 centimeter and the radius of another is 14 centimeter. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is equal to sum of circumference of these two circles. So there's a third circle also which is there. The radius we don't know, but what we know is that the circumference of this circle is equal to the sum of circumference of these two circles. So let's call this as C3, C2, C1. So we know that circumference of C3 is equal to circumference C2 plus circumference C1, or we know that 2 pi r3 is equal to 2 pi, what is r1? We know it is 14 centimeter into 14 plus 2 pi into C1 is what? 7. Right? So now you can also write this as 2 pi into r3 is equal to, can we take 2 pi as common in this also? 2 pi into 14 plus 7. So this 2 pi gets knocked off with this 2 pi. So we get r3 is equal to 21. Okay. And if r3 is equal to 21, circumference C3 is equal to 2 into pi into r. 3 into 2 gives you 6. 6 into 22 will give you 132 centimeter. So by this you've got both the values of r and circumference as well. I could have actually simply done this way also. I could have let it be as the circumference and done the total of these two to get 132. The reason I did it in the longer way is that at least you also know how to calculate the radius. Otherwise, the most simplest way would have been that you would have written circumference C3 is equal to C2 plus C1. Okay, you just calculate it and that's it. That's the end of the matter.